Hey there, today I'll walk you through the simple process of securing a student discount on Apple products. But before we dive in, a heads up, this discount is exclusively for students, so ensure you're currently enrolled in education. Let's get started. First, head over to the Apple website. Scroll down to the footer and locate the For Education section. Click on Apple and Education to explore student discounts. Here you'll find options for K-12 and higher education. Choose the relevant one and click Learn More. This takes you to the Education store, where discounted products await. Click on Save with Apple Education pricing to access the discounted store. Now, browse through the offerings. Let's say you're eyeing the MacBook Air, starting at $899 with a $100 discount for students. Plus, you can opt for 0% APR financing with an Apple Card, making payments easier. Select your desired product and customize it if needed. Add it to your bag and proceed to review your purchase. Finally, select your payment option, either monthly installments with 0% APR or full payment. And that's it. Enjoy your student discount on Apple products, but remember, it's exclusively for students. Thanks for watching.